morning, well, good afternoon, I'm sorry, good afternoon, YouTube viewer, my YouTube viewer. Today I'm trying to show you guys how to make a really quick soup for the winter. It's very nasty outside, so it's one pot that, combined all these ingredients. So these are my ingredients that we're gonna start. We're gonna start with the Italian sausage. You fry it. You could get any brand, anyhow. The time I went, Wegmans didn't have the ground Italian beef, so they had the patty. So I just took that one, and after frying the Italian, you take them out from the pan. You do it like a ground beef, fry it. After you take them out from the pot, you fry the bacon. These are the bacon that I'm using, and this is the brand, Jamestown brand. Any brand will do. Whatever you have available, it's fine. And fry the bacon. After, while you're frying the bacon, put the onion. This is like one small onion, and this right here is like a 2 big cloves of garlic, and 2.5 cloves of garlic. If you love garlic, that's good, like me. If you don't, you could put one. However, use your own judgment. And once you fry all this, you fry this and all this together, and then you go ahead, you put the chicken broth, and then 1 cup of water. After you put the potato, you put the ground Italian sausage inside the pot. We're gonna go ahead and put the kale. We're using this kale. It's vegetable. You could find it on the frozen or on the produce. So this one I'm using. Normally you gotta use the one, the fresh kale, but hey, it doesn't matter. I'm using this because you need to steam it anyways. So I'm using this one. This brand is from Wegmans. It's like a $1. And this one is from Walmart. It's $1.44. So it doesn't really matter where you're getting it from, but I'm gonna use both of them, or maybe 1 bag. So I just took 2 bags to start off. So let's start. Enough of me talking, and I already preheat my pot. So this is how they look like. Nasty. I don't know. I couldn't find the one that I was looking for, so it's like I have to take him off from the wrapper. I don't like touching meats like that. So this is the sausage. After frying, you take him out. Whatever goes after the sausage. Next is the bacon. This is the bacon. After the bacon become brownish, you add the onion. Stir to give it a little, to infuse the bacon with the onion. Then you add the garlic. This is the garlic. When all is mixed and combined, you pour your sausage inside. You stir it or mix it well. Then we're gonna pour the chicken broth into the mixture. Ooh, smells so good. So I am in a rush. I am going to my appointment somewhere. Well, that's why I just wanted to finish up real quick. So put that up and add 1 cup of water. So that's the kale. Just use your kitchen scissors Add it there. And voila. Easy peasy, simple. So the fresh one, you have a choice to take out the sticks, but with the frozen, you know, it comes with the sticks, so it won't bother us. This is just soup. It's just you're gonna have to make sure that you cook it a little longer for everything to be softer. So when you get it cooked, you add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream or heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. I don't know what's the difference, but whatever, you know, milk you have on, you know, heavy milk you have, just add it in your soup. Then we're gonna add this is the red pepper flakes crushed. So just about I would say about a teaspoon. If you like spicy, go for it, but I'm not a spicy human being, so I will put that. And you know, sprinkle some black pepper, just a little. It does get spicy also if you put a lot. Add any salt that you have to taste, but as you guys follow my channel, I usually use this one, the seasoning salt, or the chicken flavor bouillon. So, but I'm gonna just add about a teaspoon of this, you know, about a teaspoon, and combine it with this one, about a teaspoon also. So that's it, just to give it a taste. So far we are done. You know, this is the last result. If you want more soup, you could add maybe a cup of your, you know, a cup of chicken broth or water. It doesn't matter, but I like it the way it looks like and the way it smells and it feels like. So we'll be right back with the last results. Just give it a little 2 to 3 minutes to just simmer, and then we are done with the soup. We have so many things going on, so booyah. This is the soup. This is the last result. It tastes so delicious.
Mommy, could you pick up your food?
And it smells amazing. So you need to be here to eat this. You could sprinkle some Parmesan cheese or some mozzarella. It's up to you, but I like it just like this. It tastes good, y'all. This is good for winter. Please subscribe, thumbs up. If you have more recipe that you would like for me to try, please leave it in the comment below. And thank you for watching and for supporting my channel, and I see you next time. Bye bye. Please try the soup. It tastes so good.